Exploring the Airbus A380. Are you curious about the world's largest commercial airplane, the Airbus A380? This behemoth of the skies has a wingspan of over 260 feet and can carry up to 850 passengers in a single flight. Introduced in 2007, the A380 revolutionized long-haul travel, offering unparalleled comfort and luxury to passengers. Airlines such as Emirates, Singapore Airlines, and Lufthansa operate these giant aircrafts, connecting major cities across the globe. From New York to Dubai, London to Sydney, the Airbus A380 takes travelers on unforgettable journeys to destinations around the world. So if you're ready for a truly epic flying experience, book your ticket aboard the mighty Airbus A380 and prepare for the adventure of a lifetime.